I'm Fiona with WTI, and I want to show you the coolest game for your next family game night. It is called Avocado Smash. It's great for all ages, and it is in the cutest little avocado case. And the inside looks just like the inside of an avocado, and even the cards themselves are textured. So let me show you how the game is played. So the object of the game is to be the first person to get rid of all of your cards. And to start, you start by divvying up all the cards between all of the players. So each person takes a turn putting their top card into the center pile while counting 1 avocado, 2 avocado, 3 avocado. And because the threes match, everyone slaps it, and the last person to get their hand on loses and has to take the whole pile. And then if 2 cards match, like a 3 and a 3, it's the same thing. Everyone smacks it, and the last one to get their hand on has to take the whole pile again. There's also special cards, like reverse direction, where you have to start counting backwards. Smash, which is an automatic smash into the center, and then guacamole, where everyone has to yell guacamole. The last one to say it loses, or if you accidentally smack on guacamole, you automatically lose. So all in all, I think Avocado Smash by Ridley's Games is the perfect game for family game night. It's easy to learn and great for all ages, and it's in the cutest little case ever. And that's just my point of view.